Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorial how to join objects. So as example, I will insert in it box objects, okay, at this point. And the second, you can go back into solid tools and I will insert cone. Okay, I will touch at this point. The next, you need to move this cone like into here. You can use a move command, type move, press enter, then select the cone object. I will move from this point into here. Okay. If you want to join between these two objects, you can use Boolean union. Type Boolean union and press enter. Select these two objects and then you can press enter again. So the object will be automatically joined. Okay, you also can see in render preview. This is for the rendering preview. Okay, that's it for basic Rhino tutorial, how to join objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.